Hello Junior 4. Our lesson today is about factors of whole numbers. What's the meaning of a factor? Factor is a number multiplied by another number to get a product. Let's take example, the factors of 12. Let's think, what's the number times another number to get 12? In the first we have 1 times 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. We can write the numbers of 12 or any number in 3 ways. The first way is called factor 3. We have 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. Second way is called factor rainbow. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Third way is called factor T chart. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Remember that 1 is a factor to any number. 1 is a factor of any number. 2 is a factor to even number. What's the meaning of even number? The digit in one's place is even. Start by 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So 2 is a factor to even number. To any even number. Example 84. 84 is even number, so 2 is a factor to 84. 3 is a factor to number. If the number, the sum of the digit of the number equals get number, that number found in the table 3, found in table 3. Let's take example 72. If 3 is a factor to 72, get the sum of its digit. 7 plus 2 equal what? 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 can divisible by 3? Yes. 3 times 3 equal 9. So 3 is a factor to 72. Another example, if we have 68, 3 is a factor to 68, yes or no? Let's try. 6 plus 8 equal what? 6 plus 8 equal 14. We have 3. We have number times 3. Get 14? No, 14 doesn't divisible by 3. 14 doesn't divisible by 3, so 3 not a factor to, isn't a factor to 68. 5 is a factor to number if the ones digit is 0 or 5. If the ones digit is 0 or 5, like 25. The ones digit is 5, so 5 is a factor to 25. 10 is a factor to number if the ones digit is 0. Example 30, 40, 50, 10, 100. So 10 is a factor to the number if the ones digit is 0. Complete with a factor of or isn't a factor of. 7 is a factor of 14, yes or no? Let's think. We have any number times 7 get 14. Yes, we have 7 times 2 equals 14. So 7 is a factor. a factor of 14. 5 is a factor 2 of 52 or isn't a factor of 52. 5 factor to number if the ones digit is 0 or 5. We have in ones digit 2, so 5 isn't factor to 52. Factors of 8. Let's think. What's the number times another number to get 8? Factor 3. We have 1 times 8. 2 times 4. Factor rainbow. 1 times 8. 2 times 4. Factor T-chart. 1 times 8. 2 times 4. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Prime number. What's the meaning of prime number? Prime number has only 2 factors. Prime number has only 2 factors. 1 and itself. Like 2. 2 is prime number. Why? Because we have 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 has 2 factors. Only has 2 factors. 1 and 2. 3 is prime number. Why? Because 3 has only 2 factors. 1 and 3. 5 is a prime number. 5 has 2 factors, only 2 factors, 1 and 5. 7 is prime number. Why? Have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. 7. 2 is prime number or composite number? Prime number. 3 has only 2 factors, so prime number. 4 prime number or composite number? 4. What's the factors of 4? We have 1 times 4, 2 times 2, so 4 has 3 factors. 3 factors, so 4 not prime number, composite number. Composite number has more than 2 factors. 16 prime or composite? 16 factors of 16, 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. So 16 has 5 factors. So 16 is composite number. Complete question number 2. Letter A. Is the only even prime number. All prime number is odd number. All prime numbers are odd numbers. Except what? Except 2. All prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. So, is the only even number. What's the number even and the prime number in the same time? 2. 1 not prime and not composite number. Why? Because 1 has only 1 factor. Write the factors of the number and write if the number is prime or composite. Factors of 14. 1 times 14. 2 times 7. 14 has 4 factors, so 14 is composite number. 19. 1 times 19. 19 has only 2 factors, so 19 is prime number. Find the common factors and the greatest common factors between 4 and 6. Factors of 4 is we have 1 times 4. 2 times 2, write 2. Factors of 6. 1 times 6. 2 times 3. So, common factors between 4 and 6, we have 1 and 2. The greatest common factors is 2. The greatest common factors between 10 and 30. Factors of 10, let's think, what's the number times another number to get 10? 1 times 10, 2 times 5. 30, 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. So, the common factors between 10 and 30, 1, 2, 5, and 10. The greatest common factor is 10. Next lesson is multiples of whole number. What's the meaning of multiples? Multiple is the product of given number in and another whole numbers. To get the multiples of 3, we can times 3 times 0. 3 times 0 get 0. 3 times 1, 1. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18, and so on. And so on. We can get the multiples of 3 in another number. Skip counting 3. Start from 0, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Skip counting 3, and so on. Find the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 start from what? 0, 2, skip counting 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Find the multiples of 4 start from what? 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. Question number 2. Circle the numbers that are multiples of 6. Multiples of 6, so get the number can divided by 6. 7? No. 7 can divided by 6. 16? No. 12? Yes, we have 6 times 2 to get 12. 6 multiples of 6. 21? No. 24? Yes, we have 6 times 4 equals 24. 18? Yes, multiples of 6. 6 times 3 equals 18.